get it. Let's go, y'all. Welcome back to Chuck's Daily Hustle. All right, y'all, we are on the highway. Get into it right away, man. I'm in the Ford Edge. If you guys watched the vlog before this, and you would have seen this joint, man, and she is rolling great, man. I don't think that I actually showed y'all how she was rolling now. All them lights are still off, so we are doing great. I'm really happy about this joint, man. 209 on the dash, you guys, but running like a champ, so cool with it, man. So right now, I'm on my way out to storage, you guys. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to storage right away. I'm going to wash this joint up. I'm going to vacuum it out. And then we're going to take some pictures, get it posted, and go from there. So we got a couple of cars we actually do have to get posted today. So we're just going to keep it moving and grooving. Everybody's out at the auctions right now, you guys. If you're wondering why you haven't seen me doing any auction walk-around videos, because I'm currently not trying to go to any auctions. I'm trying to get these cars taken care of on the back end. So I'm just trying to get these cars posted, and like I was telling y'all before, man, I got a lot of stuff on the back end that I'm trying to get done so we can increase this volume. So if you are here for the auction walk around videos and you haven't seen them in a while, go back and watch some of them older ones. You actually will learn a lot. So anyways, I will see you guys in a second. We about to get straight to it.
Taking off. I'm spazzing like you got this fast. Woo, woo, woo. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up, 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 we up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up, I'm up.
What's up, y'all? I officially did way more than you guys saw, so got really busy, so my apologies, but y'all know how it is. I'm at least gonna try to get y'all this content. And right now, man, we are in this Mitsubishi Montero, you guys, man, and this thing, I can't win for lose with these cars right now, man. So I was like debating, I'm like, man, do I want to do alignment on this car or not? You know, I'm so much money into it already. I don't feel like really rocking with it right now. But and I made a decision like, no, I'm not gonna do the alignment. I'm just gonna try to lose a couple hundred, basically. I know that sounds crazy, like I'm just gonna lose a couple hundred. But and I'll show y'all this alignment real quick because we're going pretty fast right now. So it's like, look at that steering wheel. It's not straight. It's going to the right. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and get the alignment done now, because at this point I got to do an oil pressure sensor. Literally when I just dropped Twan off, literally just right now, man. I noticed that the oil light came on when I go to a complete stop. So after the engine heated up, then obviously the oil thinned out, and then boom. So that's what I'm gonna do, man. I'm gonna do the oil pressure sensor and we'll see what happens. Hopefully that's just to fix it. More than likely it is, you know what I mean? I'm not losing like any type of engine performance or anything like that. So it's crazy, man, because it's like, as soon as I get one car done, then another car does some crazy stuff. This car just been sitting around forever, just collecting dust. Y'all know the story with this, man. So I'm getting like last couple days, like the last week or two, we've been having issues, but we've been knocking it out. We still been you know, just running through the all the problems and getting over them real quick, man. So it is what it is, man. I am on my way right now. The white Ford Edge is done. They completed the engine, but the battery is bad. And that's not the one I just drove, you guys. It's a whole different Ford Edge. It needed an engine because the head gaskets were terrible, and they weren't worth replacing. So that's where I'm at. Get this battery, then we're gonna head over to Bryant's, drop this joint off. The Jeep Liberty's done as well, man. That thing needed just a coil and a spark plug, and it's fixed the misfire, and then we did that oil change on it. So as far as like Eric, my detail guy, goes, man, he gonna have to split that one with me. I'm not gonna put it all up on him, but you know, he gonna have to give me a $50 discount on a detail, because I ain't the one who sprayed it. I really shouldn't even be paying for any of it, but you know, I like to keep the peace. You know what I'm saying? So, but it is what it is, man. Like I said, man, we're having issues, but we've been resolving them. So let's get to the next destination, and I'll give y'all another update. Let's get it. Okay, I almost forgot about you again, man. So here's that Mitsubishi Montero, you guys. And it is time to, well, so I'm dropping this joint off right now, you guys. I ordered the oil pressure sensor, OPS, whatever you want to call it. I'm just showing y'all a little bit more of the interior, man. I I just ordered that, man. It's only $5, so most definitely doing that, and they're gonna do the 4-wheel alignment for me, get that straight. And then now we just picking up this Dodge Nitro. He's still working on the Honda Civic. They're running their numbers on the business side, because if they offer a what do you call that, a loaner car, then it's gonna make their insurance go up on the shop because it's a loaner car. But the Honda should be good for that. But anyways, man, here's that Dodge Nitro, you guys. Looking real nice and prestige now. Or I said prestige, pristine, man. I'm thinking about Modern Warfare right now. I'm using wrong words. But anyways, man, looking real nice. And now we are ready to finally get this thing posted and online. I decided that I'm not even gonna mess with that that bumper. If you guys just, let me just go back there and show y'all real quick, because some of y'all didn't. Hold on, because I was talking a little bit too much. So let me show you that bumper. I decided, man, I'm not gonna mess with it, man. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. I'm gonna sell it the way it is. I'm just gonna get a good price on it. If somebody ends up deciding that they want to fix it, then let them fix it. So I'll let that be a part of the negotiations. But yeah, man, I'm happy. Just $100 ended up costing me to get this thing fixed, you guys. Got that fresh oil change, as you guys can see. So yeah, this thing's got 175,000 miles on it. I hope that the traffic isn't bad, because I want to get back out to the office, you guys. Looks like, oh, cool. Looks like I got some body that just hit me up, you guys, right now. Right here, you guys, on Marketplace. So let me respond to him. He just hit me up on that 2015 Chevy Sonic that I've had for a while. So hopefully I can get that thing sold, and we'll go from there, man. But I'll see y'all at the next destination. And hopefully we got some blue faces, or we actually making something happen today, man. Let's get it. Okay, y'all, so we are at my storage right now, aka where everything goes down, man. As you guys can see, body shop over there, which I ain't messing with no more. Mechanic shop right here, and all of my projects over there. Not all of them, but most of them are over there right now. I'm in this Hyundai Santa Fe. Got a little dirt on me. Y'all probably see a little dirt on me, man. And then Hyundai Santa Fe, I was gonna take it just to verify, make sure it was straight. And what do we got? This joint do not want to fire up. So I honestly do not know what's going on with it. The mechanic had to dip out, and it was working fine before this. Like I told y'all before in the other vlog, we just changed, we recharged the battery. It tested good. We cleaned the terminals, and then we were good. So I don't know exactly what's going on with this car. It doesn't have like a battery light on when you get it running, but you got to jump it. So that's weird too. Also, it like cuts off on you randomly when you driving. So that, I don't know. Comment below, let me know what y'all think. If I got any mechanics down there or somebody that's encountered this car, a 07 Hyundai Santa Fe. If you guys encountered these problems, I think this would, you would technically say the new body. But let me show y'all what we got going on. I'm gonna have to jump this joint off and then move it over there. I'm gonna have to take the van home today. Let me get y'all a couple of updates. We got some good updates though. Show y'all the car, man. I put some tire shine on it because I thought we was finna get ready to get to it. That thing looking pristine though. Most definitely would be sold if it was good. But this thing's still waiting on a misfire, y'all. Transmission, we putting that last on that gold Malibu Max over there. That's my young trusty van right there. This is the 13 Impala, y'all. This thing, we did the front brakes and rotors, rear brakes and rotors, and we did a solenoid on there. So what we got going on now, y'all, is we checking the transmission fluid on it. I just didn't like the way the transmission shifted a little bit. It just seemed like it might be a little bit low on fluid. So I just wanted to double check it before we pull it out. I just tired of going back and forth with these cars. Obviously we going back and forth because once we do stuff, then other stuff starts popping up. Something I can't control, man. It's just the name of the game. Obviously you already saw the Nitro Fusion, man. We still have to get this thing detailed, man. Or we're gonna try to do it ourselves. Got a little trick that I'm gonna try because it's black. Might be able to get that out, all that pet hair and stuff. Because the interior is actually clean outside of all the pet hair. You already saw the Ford Edge, you know that's ready. This Envoy, now we're sitting on a flat tire back here. We're gonna check for oil leaks on that joint. And Milan CV axles, he's gonna do that today, he said. And then inside, if I zoom in there, y'all see the Town and Country that had an oil pan leak. And so he's that's what he's doing right now. He had to go fetch some, that sounded kind of rude, not fetch, but he had to go get some parts, you guys. So that's what he's gonna go do. I'm about to get out of here, y'all. I'm tired, if you guys can tell. If somebody ends up hitting me up, then they do. I'll come out and sell the car, but for now, y'all, I'm about to get out of here. I'm tired. But that doesn't mean that we're not gonna continue to vlog. I don't know exactly what's gonna end up happening for today, you guys. It seems like I got a lot done, but then it seems like a lot. It's like right when you get stuff done, man, and something else pops up, it just never stops, man. It's getting a little frustrating for me, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. For real. But I'm just trying to at least knock out like maybe like 5 more cars, make sure that they're 100% ready for sale, and then I'm gonna start hitting these auctions again, man. Obviously after I get a lot of this other stuff done too, man. I still got meetings I gotta have this week on the back end, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a little update though. So I am going to be getting a bigger, not a bigger storage, but I'm gonna be doubling up my storage, and that kind of gives y'all a little hint on what I'm trying to do. So that's the plan, because I'm not gonna like seal the deal yet, y'all. I'm not gonna sign no lease or nothing like that yet. I'm waiting to figure out exactly what's going on with the state. So I'm going to basically like I'm probably gonna put like half down, and then put in that contract that if for some reason that this goes bad with the state, then I'll be able to get out of it, and then maybe the dude will just keep the money. Whatever, I'm gonna let him shoot his offer first. That's a part of negotiations, y'all. So I'm gonna let him shoot his offer first as far as like what he's gonna propose, how we do it, and we'll go from there, man. So like I said, man, still waiting on the state. If you guys didn't catch that video, you need to go check out that video. It literally says like the state's trying to take my dealer's license, which they are. It's very true. Because they're haters, man. I'm gonna keep on saying that, man. Most definitely are haters. But let me jump this car and then move that out to space, and then I'll see where the day takes us. All right, y'all, we got some excitement. So it's right now is like what, 6:38, you guys. I'm on my way out to storage first. I gotta go pick up the Ford Fusion. We just posted that one, and low key, it is the worst looking car we got in that price range, and somebody wants to come see it. So I don't understand what the heck people be thinking when they come want to see cars, but I'm gonna show it. I know it drives real good, so I'm gonna show it, see what happens. If not, then you know we got like 5 more cars in the same price range, and hopefully we can get something sold, you guys. So I'm excited, man. Right on this highway again. It is, like I said, man, the sun's going down, and that's cool with me, man. The one thing I am mad about though, low key, I was getting ready to start cooking, y'all. I had the young steak out. It was been marinating for a day, 24 hours, y'all. And I was about to put it on the thing. If y'all follow me on Snapchat, the link is in the description. Y'all see me cooking a lot, man. Everybody seems to be commenting on when I'm cooking, man. Instagram, IG, I post some pictures when I'm cooking too. So your boy know how to cook. He just don't know how to sell cars, man. Gotta do a couple other things too. You know if you tap in, man. So go check out the links in the description, y'all. I'll see y'all in a second. Right now is like what, 6:38, you guys. I'm on my way out to storage first. I gotta go pick up the Ford Fusion. We just posted that one, and low key it is the. All right, y'all. So they just showed up for the Ford Fusion. Obviously, we didn't skip past me going to storage and getting here. So I'm chilling right now. We got the work jacket completed, ready for them to come in and seal the deal, hopefully. So I will keep you guys updated, and hopefully we come back with a money face. These are younger people, real mellow. So I don't know. They gave me the poker face, so you don't know, man. Sometimes you get the people that's like, they just know they're buying it, and then sometimes you get the people that's like, you know they're not, but they're right in the middle. So I don't know. Let's see. All right, y'all. Most definitely do not have a money face, man. These fools came in and offered $1,000 for the car, bruh. I'm driving the car right now, man. Right now, man. We doing 75. right here, man, this thing is a little bit up. It looks like the airbag deployed, but we didn't get any announcements from the auction, nor did any reports show that it was deployed. And as you can see, it does not have an airbag light on there. Long story short, those dudes sell cars, I could tell. So they thought they were gonna come down and actually get a deal from us, and not realizing that we don't play them games, man. So yeah, when they offered $1,000, we got the car for $3,000. But low-key, I think they kind of, I don't know, man, because this window back here, you guys, hopefully you guys can see it. I'm talking about the rear passenger window. It was working. If you guys remember, I just literally picked this car up for the front brakes and rotors getting done, and then also that front passenger window getting done, the window regulator, and everything was good. And so they come back and like, did you know that the window regulator, the window didn't roll up or roll down? I'm like, yeah, it did. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, just from like their tone of voice, like I low-key feel like they might have just kind of finessed the car. I should have stayed out there with them. I got their ID and all that, but I wasn't expecting like any, you know, messed up stuff to happen. But whatever, man. Now I gotta pay for this to get done. So another car, we got another car with issues today, man. But I'm not tripping on it, y'all. I'm about to go get me some food. I'm about to eat, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.